Sobrang dami nagtatanong sa'kin saan daw ba ako nagpa-gluten rib. So, ever since kasi, since bata pa ako, insecurity ko na talaga yung skin tone ko because I have a darker complexion. So, now na medyo LL na tayo, ayan, so nag-try tayo ng madaming beauty products and eto nga, Inner Glow by Organic Nature talaga yung pinaka-effective na na-try kong product. So, I'll show you guys kung paano ko siya iniinom because I bring it anywhere. Anytime, pwede mo siyang inumin. I like drinking it with the ice cold water kasi sobrang sarap niya. It's like drinking a normal or a regular lemon juice. So, ayan, talagang everyday ko siya iniinom kasi sobrang sarap niya talaga. And ayun nga, ito na yung effect niya sa atin after drinking it for quite a while. So, I suggest na try nyo rin siya because super effective niyang inner glow na yan. And talagang nakaka-glow talaga siya ng skin, hindi lang siya nakakaputi. And aside from that is may vitamin C pa siya. So, di ba, multi-purpose, naging healthy ka na, gumaganda, puputi at nagiging fresh ka pa like me. So, sobrang sarap talaga guys. Go try it for yourself. Inner Glow by Organic Nature. And itataya ko talaga yung name ko dito guys kasi make sure ko na effective and masarap talaga tong product na to by Organic Natures. Yan, si Inner Glow talaga. Sobrang sarap niya talagang inumin. And ayun nga, I feel more confident every time na humaharap ako sa tao. I don't feel insecure anymore. And sobrang sarap lang ng feeling na na-overcome ko yung insecurities ko when I was younger. So ngayon, eto na ako, feeling glowy, feeling lighter, and younger pa nga and healthy as well. Bye!